Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Shanette with Shanette for Life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I have here on the screen. This delicious tofu strawberry cheesecake. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. First, I'm going to be starting out making my crust. I am using my 8-cup food processor to chop up my cup of raw walnuts and my cup of raw pecans. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below, and also tap the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, select all. This will ensure that you'll never miss a video that I upload. I am now adding the rest of the ingredients to complete my cheesecake crust. I am now adding the dough to a parchment paper lined pan. You don't have to necessarily use the paper. You can just put the dough in there without the paper if you would like. I am now going to be shaping the crust. All done. This is what the crust looks like once I'm finished. It is now time to make the filling for the cheesecake. You're going to be baking the cheesecake at 325 degrees for about an hour. Then you're going to let it cool and refrigerate it overnight. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on my next upload.